Well, good afternoon again. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. This is going to be my third and final video on this, unless something extraordinary happens on it. But there's been some interesting anomalies. I figured I'd just record and document it for shits and giggles. Of course, it's April 1st, 2017. Coming to you live from Bronx, New York. It is now exactly 5:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. First video I took was 4:20. Then the second one that I took was at 4:47, which was actually 17 minutes, not 13 minutes. After the first one. And now this one is, well, you figure it out. It's 5:08 in the evening time, Eastern Standard Time. You figure out the time frame between it. But this is just something that I found interesting. Like I said, it rolled in about probably here since 4 o'clock. What really genuinely got my interest is I looked up and didn't see half the horizon. So I figured I'd document it. I posted a few still photos to my Facebook page. But as you can see, for the most part, it's, you know, look at these lines. All these lines. And yeah, little birdies. Okay, but as you can see, look at this. Look at this. I have absolutely no idea. I mean, it could be a storm. Not sure. All I know is it's just a little weird. Oh, well. It certainly looks interesting. I've seen a lot of storms brew up over my apartment complex, but nothing quite like this. There's lines. There's lines in the sky. You can see it. Definitely been doing a lot of spraying. And this could very well just be a fallout from it. Like I said, the last couple of days has been pretty nasty. Well, until then, guys, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. I'm signing out for the day on the videos. Stay awake. Look up. Ask questions. Peace. Yeah, I kind of fucked that one up. I don't know if am I going to edit? No, I won't edit it. Later. Peace.